So there's no savings in getting an EV, especially if you are a heavy footer. Maknanya you bawa kereta macam setan.
Abang dah pakai EV. Apa yang best dan tak best pakai EV?
Benda yang paling best pakai EV ni sebenarnya bukan the cost. And this is not about environment. Tapi the best thing about driving an EV is a seamless driving experience. Okay? I'm not sure if this applies to all the EVs. Maybe it does sebab dia pakai elektrik lah. Tak ada benda-benda nak start this thing. Kalau you pakai IC, internal combustion engine, you kena tekan brake and then you tekan button. EV, there's no such thing. You masuk je, terus tolak the transmission daripada neutral atau park to forward. In fact, for Tesla, I'm not sure about other cars, the car will know if you want to go forward or backwards. Maknanya kalau depan tu ada barang, obviously you want to go backwards. Tapi kalau you reverse parking and the car knows ada belakang ada benda, depan kosong, you tekan brake, masuk je kereta EV tu, dia terus masuk transmission drive, terus jalan. So maksudnya, it's a seamless driving experience. You dah berhenti ni, you buka you punya seatbelt, terus keluar. Tak payah tutup enjin, tak payah masuk transmission apa, just terus keluar. Tapi yang tak best pasal EV adalah the charging time. Charging time ni, yes, orang ada kata, oh boleh charge kat rumah. Boleh charge kat rumah. Kau ingat semua orang duduk rumah landed ke? For some people yang duduk rumah landed pun tak ada charger kat rumah. Why? Sebab rumah landed itu sewa. And for them to install this EV charging station dekat DP rumah, dia kena bayar at the very minimum RM1,000. Itu pun maybe shoddy punya workmanship. Yang general, yang sesuai, yang bagus, maybe RM2,000. You duduk rumah sewa ni, takkan nak bayar RM2,000. Bila you keluar, you tak boleh tarik. Boleh you tarik, tapi nak cabut pun dah RM2,000. And then you nak pindah tempat lagi satu, you ambil lagi RM2,000. So most people tak akan install, walaupun dia kata boleh install kat Haras, tapi jarang orang buat. So you terpaksa charge dekat luar. And charge kat luar mahal.